Work is underway on a number of Southern Oregon bridges. They're being strengthened now before an expected, long overdue Cascadia Subduction Zone earthquake.
The overall goal is to get at least a single lane, ideally 2 lanes of traffic through this particular bridge site. We're strengthening the footings, stiffening up the bridge to be able to withstand that earthquake event.
The first bridges in the seismic improvement package are being armored in Josephine and Douglas counties. Others will be replaced or strengthened in Jackson County.
The project, very important. After following a Cascadia Subduction Zone event, we're going to need to be able to move people through the area and more importantly, get materials in to rebuild. And without this project, that would not be possible.
The routes being strengthened connect Southern Oregon to Central Oregon and the US 97 corridor, and from the Rogue Valley north along the I-5 corridor to the Willamette Valley. Life won't be the same after a subduction zone earthquake, but the plan is to have a cost-efficient and strengthened lifeline route in place to keep a post-Cascadia connection for the people and economy of Southern Oregon.